It's day 3 of learning something new about AI to automate my audit practice. As I've been going through this process, there's several new terms that I'm running across, so I thought I'd run through some of them today. The first one I wanted to hit on was model. Each of the LLMs keeps coming out with new models that have different capabilities. Some of these specialize in different things like coding or writing or image generation, so it's important to keep in mind which model would be most appropriate for the type of work that you're doing. The next term is projects. These are just ways that they use to organize the work that you're working on. Next is skills. This is a specific set of instructions that you can use over and over again. So for instance, if you wanted to always use the same writing style, you could build that in as a skill so you're not continually needing to rewrite how you want it to respond. The last term I'm going to talk about is AI credits or tokens. This is essentially how much output you're using each time you log into the system. But this is kind of confusing and hard to track because it's not very transparent on any of the models. And also it varies from model to model how many credits you might use for the same amount of output. So a couple of examples I found are 1 credit could equal several paragraphs or 50 to 100 words, 1 image generation, 1 to 2 minutes of video transcription, or it could summarize 1 email. This is particularly important depending on the pricing model of the platform that you're using. If they allow up to a certain amount of tokens and then they start charging per token, that's certainly something to keep in mind as you're automating full workloads of information out there. I'm going to keep sharing what I learned about AI each day to automate my audit practice. So if that's something that interests you, be sure to follow along.